Manipur gi culture amasung festival da khwaidagi maru oiba nga ama oiriba pengba si yokhatnaba hotnaba matam oiri haina Forest Environment and Climate Change ki Additional Chief Secretary MH Khan phongdokre wafam asi Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna pangthokkiba International Day for Biodiversity ki thauram da phongdokkibane thauram adu da mahak na makha taraduna nga makhal asibu yokhatnaba hotnabada Environment amasung Forest Department na kanna hotnari Lakadauriba chahi ani ahum asigi manungda biodiversity yamna leiba lamdam ama oinabagi pandam thamle lainga ki maikaidagi shu biodiversity yokhatnaba kanna hotnari adubo masjida miyamna mateng pangdragadi laingak na khaktana ngamloi haina phongdokhe thauram asida CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Lamfelpat ki Chief Scientist Dr. H. Bir Kumar Singh State Wetland Authority ki Technical Committee ki Chairman Dr. K. H. Samungou yauna miyoi kaya na saruk yakhe.
You see the Loktak Lake. It is unique in the history of Manipur. Not only in the Manipur, not only in the northeast, whole world knows Loktak. And Loktak preservation is also a part of biodiversity. So we are trying our best from the government side, but nothing is possible unless there is a cooperation from the public. And that is why mass awareness, mass cooperation is required. So with the help of the department, we will try to bring more and more funds. I myself is going to Government of India, pursuing with the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Forest and Environment to bring more funds. And I am very hopeful that for Intl river also, we will be getting a huge amount very soon.